Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome everyone, welcome community. Hey, hey, great to see you guys. Great to see you on board. What a good time. Well, look at that. Chat is already full. Morning chat. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Let's go. Time to be live. Time to attack the market makers. Do something. Do something. In this little markets. First things first, you would like to go ahead right now and share the presentation as usually. Keep in mind, we need to collect 180 likes today to do the giveaways. Absolutely mandatory. How do you participate? It's not complicated. You have to complete the form. We have a link on our Discord. We have a link in the chat right here. Complete the form. Good evening, good morning. We are just facing a little dump here, touching a whole lot of the levels, such as the daily VWAP, purple line on the 5-minute 200 EMA, daily opening. What's happening, guys? Like the last 20 minutes are dumping seriously. 150 points already down. 150 points down. Let's see what we can do here for the YRM. That's what we're starting to trade. Maximum. We got news again from Iran. What kind of news? Is a ceasefire completed and secure, or we don't have ceasefire yet? What's happening, guys? I was expecting, based on yesterday's announcements, that we're gonna see a ceasefire of a month. But you see, you can't even set expectations for 10 minutes based on what you hear. Will not accept a ceasefire or enter into process. Oh. Alright. Ho 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 ho. Oh ho ho. 632 away from passing his first evaluation. Right? So we gotta short the frickin' markets. We gotta short the frickin' markets with that being said. And that's how we're making money. Just be careful with the market makers trying to play the liquidity game. Be careful. Do not let yourselves underestimate it. Like the video, be subscribed. No credibility? Absolutely zero. In the statements. Zero credibility in the statements. Testing out a short here, guys. Markets will be crazy the whole day with no ceasefire accepted. We'll be trading Lucid+YRM Top 1 futures, a lot of the things, maybe even Savius, right? We got maximum discount pretty much everywhere, running a good time, and this is where we are. Let's go. Time to shine. Time to deliver. Not a bad short, right? We could still cascade. Oh. Newly appointed chief negotiator was already killed? How are we expected to have a ceasefire this way, to have a deal this way? How are we expected, guys, to have a deal this way? Where do you see the update for the YRM? Where do you see the update? Which update are you referring to? Yes. The accounts are paused during the approval time, which is going to change when the dashboard will be available, the new dashboard. I'm DCing here for the short. When the new dashboard is going to be available for YRM, the accounts will no longer continue to be paused when requesting a payout. That's what I've been told by their CEO. So you're not going to waste time. You will still be able to continue trading. I don't like this price section. Was certainly expecting something around this line, which represents the weekly volume-weighted average price. We have the daily opening here that could actually reject us a little bit. But it's still not looking good. It's still not looking good. Oh my gosh. V-shaped recovery from a such situation. Stop loss right there. I'll take that loss. V-shaped recovery. No bouncing, no retestings. It's gonna get stopped. It's gonna get touched. Don't worry, it's gonna get touched. V-shaped recovery, look at that. Look at that. This is the markets today. Nothing like this. Or like this. Total V-shaped freaking recovery. Oh my god. Yeah. We'll have to deal with that. We'll have to deal with that. There's nothing I can do. We have to deal with that. A little reshorting up here. But this is running, folks. Unbelievable. Right? Pretty unbelievable. Remember, we must hit 180 likes minimum to do the giveaways. On time, of course. Adding a little bit to this here. Yeah. Considering we're so close to the daily opening, 420s. This is unbelievable, algo driven. Unbelievable algo driven markets. Fake. No. I've started pretty bad. I've started pretty bad. So we're trading the YRM, instant funded 150,000 folks. And we'll continue to do so. With a Lucid Flexes on Quantower soon. Lovely profit there. Lovely profit there. Gotta secure something. Gotta secure something. I'm out here. 1,338. I'll take that all day long, folks. I'll take that all day long. That's just lovely. That's just lovely. A little more needed here to mark my entire target of the day. But we're going to celebrate this, guys. This is the first profit here. And that's great for the YRM. Come on, guys. Time to bring up the energy. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you. Happy Wednesday. That's a great winner. Having some more Japanese green tea. Let's go. Haven't touched the daily opening on that retest. I'm reshorting here. Even though it's quite dangerous with shorts. It's quite dangerous. It's quite dangerous. Let's see. I've DCA'd. There is a risk for me being on the wrong side of the picture. This might be a nice little temporary stop with the bulls possibly continuing to the upside. So I'm gonna cut this soon. Right there. I'll cut you right there. Yeah, I've sold partially here. I'm gonna reduce the sizing. Not trusting this position that much, that's why. So I've reduced my sizing and accepted $300. $200 loss. Not an issue, as long as... And we got into our short for the Quantower. For the Lucid Flexes, we got into the short, guys, here. With stop loss break even. I'm gonna get out of that one. And this is the only one that's gonna remain. So this is the big boy account. 150,000 Lucid Flex. Right now it's sitting on $217,000. Alright, look at that one, guys. Started 150 grand, right now sitting on 217 with stop loss break even. This is no consistency in target on the funded stage. My plan is to have 5 accounts of 150,000 Lucid Flex ready for the payout. For the moment, we have 2 accounts. This one and one more, which is also quite huge. Lovely. How is our short doing for the YRM? Doing a great job. We're hitting the max profit here. We don't need to do more than 1,600. We're going to celebrate this one, guys. 1,687. That means we have hit the target of the day here for this account. Great. I bet there is a lot of the people that longed on that little pullback and then possible bouncing that we have discussed. But we're printing here on 10 minis short. Boom. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Remember, we must hit minimum 180 likes. Otherwise, no giveaways. That's the target. That's simple. That's the target. It is quite simple. I'm out of this here. 5,780 total profits secured. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. We're sitting at $220,000 on the account. Boom. Lucid Flex. No consistency. And funded. No consistency in the funded stage. And target. Here's our YRM. New trade that I opened on the account. We traded first today and we had a loss. Let's see if we can recover, not hitting the daily loss limit, which is 4,500. 600 bucks away from the daily loss limit. Let's see if we can recover from here. I like that. I like that, guys. Come on. This is looking beautiful. Stop loss break even. We're actually stop loss right below that candle. Give me a good pump right now. Give me a good pump right now. Come on, guys. We have a good chance recovering from being so close to max daily loss limit. Oh, you missed a lot. Yes, we have a max payout, 3,000 bucks per cycle. Boom. $150,000 account. It's not 217. It's not 270. It's 220. I'm not selling yet, guys. I think we're gonna still grind. Yeah, I've sold there. Great. We're only down to 1,869. Well, we were down a lot. Boom. There you go. Look at this, Jake. Have a look into this one, Jake. This is what we made. This is the good account. 5,780 today. I've been trading 10 minis in this one. 10 minis in this one since the beginning in all the trades, and this is what we did. Here's the dashboard and performance of this account that you were watching, right? So 5,780 today, 5,780, 220 in the balance. two accounts which are very close like this. Let me share with you. So we got this one. Right. And where is the other? Here's the other, which has 4,390 today. And this is the total balance inside, 200 freaking grand. Right, so one has 220, the other has 200. Both were 150,000. Right, so one has 70,000, the other has 50k profits. No copy trading. Thank you. This is all on big contracts. I still want to recover here, guys. I'm testing along here. Not bad, right? Not bad. Yeah, you pay taxes on your profits. You cut your expenses, you pay taxes on your profits pretty much everywhere. I mean, when you see a lot of the taxes, well, you know, nowhere in the world these days it's free or cheap or whatever. Yeah, so it's not comfortable for sure. It's not comfortable. But there's no choice. Just show no profits. Ha ha ha. Yeah. It's all visible on the live stream. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I mean, it's not an issue. As long as we're having a good time, the most important part, guys. We're having a good time. Monopoly money. Oh, that's a little too much. 35 plus state taxes. That's a little too much. No. I have financial jurisdiction in a place where I pay only 10%. Right, so I have a financial jurisdiction in a place where I only pay 10%. You know, financial jurisdiction. You can have a financial jurisdiction of the country you're not citizen in terms of the country you're born, right? You can have multiple financial jurisdictions. You can be a citizen of a specific country and have a financial jurisdiction of an island. An island, guys. Can't tell you the name, but it's an island. How many days you have to live there for? You need to have a property. One of the conditions. You need to have a property. You need to have a certain value of that property. So it cannot be a property of 100,000. It needs to be a property that is crossing a certain level. And you need some social contribution. starting with the property and other things. Yes, a lot of the things can be written off, of course. Food. You can also write off food, right? Puerto Rico. Yeah. It's not easy to get citizenships in most of these places where you have 0% capital gains. It's not easy to get citizenships in most of these places. And you have to give up on your citizenship to gain another citizenship, so you might not be allowed to have double citizenship. Yes, you know, I'm buying expensive green tea and it's break even. Ha 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 ha. That's a good one. 0%? Oh, we're making too much money, guys. We're making too much money. I'm gonna cut something here. Half of it. Actually, more than half. And I'm out. $1,272 profit, folks. Celebration time. Scrambles and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. You know this account. Just scroll back. This account was 3,900 down. 3,900 down. I told you. We're $600 away from the daily max loss. And I'm gonna try to recover from that. What happened? We fully recovered. We made 1,272 profit. Here's the YRM condition. Instant funded. 150,000. 4,500 daily max loss. Soft breach. I had 3,900. $600 away. 70 micros. Long. Absolutely on point. Boom. Ha. Zero tax gain on capital. Interesting. Make sure to like the video, guys. 172 watching, 89 likes. This way, we're not doing any giveaways. Let's go. Ha 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 ha. Haven't not traded it on my Lucid. Have not traded on my Lucid. Have no trading on Lucid. I only traded that one on YRM. So the other account made 1,687. That's locked up for today. Let me get to my dashboard and have a daily lockout. We'll set you for the daily lockout. Confirm. Do you want to proceed? Hell yeah. Ha ha. Daily commission, $200. Look at that. Yes, I'm trading YRM instant funded, guys. You can trade challenges too, but I'm trading instant funded of YRM. It's a very good price. $450 for 150,000. $6,000 drawdown. End of the day drawdown. So during the day it's static, and then it only updates at the end of the day. $450 is the price with Scramble code. Scramble code on the entire platform gives you a much bigger discount than what they give you. Totally negotiated. And we got 3 accounts of this pretty much always. Daily lockout. I'm done trading this one. I'd like to trade the other account that we've recovered and put us on profit. We'll still have to do some money on top of that 1,200. Oh, so you guys were watching the other screen. All right. I was showing you the numbers here. I did a daily lockout. Top trader list. I don't think. They don't know me, guys. I'm hidden here. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Ha ha ha. Why are these numbers so little here? General settings. Text size large. There you go. Now you can see things much better. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh. The flat opening is aggressive. Ha 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 ha. The flat opening is doing dirty. Look at that. All that liquidity is gone. All that liquidity is over. Trailing stop losses. See you next time. We are running probably to the upside. I'm along it here. I don't think we stop and reverse. That would be so silly and dirty. So manipulated. I don't think we stop here. Because that would be so freaking manipulated. I'm DCing a little bit, guys. I think we're running above the previous high we made here a couple of minutes ago. Above this one. We should be running above that one. Let's see. Time to see the reality. That was a flat hourly open. The market opens in 30 minutes. We should have some fuel. We've also longed on Quantower with a Lucid. I like to continue trading here. Yeah. If we go below the current wick, I have to sell partially, guys. I've DC'd right now. So if we go below this level, I'm selling, right? Below this, I'm selling. My whole bag. Why is it behaving like that? I sold partially here a little bit. I was probably too exposed on sizing. It is not behaving too well. So I've sold partially here on my entry. Leaving it open here with a stop loss break even. Yeah. Lovely, lovely, guys. Lovely. Sold partially. And sold the whole thing. We touched the target, folks. 1,596. This is the account we have lost 3,900 realized earlier. At 3,900, we've opened a trade. And we have erased the whole loss. Now it's back into hitting the target. Thank you guys, thank you. Fully hit the target here. So we traded both YRM accounts hitting the target. The third one can now be traded because we're waiting for the payout. Right, so one is here waiting for the payout. Out of these three guys we have, one is waiting for the payout. This one in purple is for the payout, and the other two, we've hit our target today, 1,600. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. What's happening here, guys? We're printing. We're printing. But the stop loss set on break even. I'm a momentum trader based on price analysis, price action, candlestick behavior, with certain meaningful levels out there that I always care. So I'm going with the momentum on the price action. No fixed stop loss, no fixed take profit. It's all dynamic based on what does the market communicates. With a delay on YouTube, there is about 6-7 seconds delay. Let's go, Jake. We've hit the profit, the target. On the account that was suffering, we've hit it. It's also printing here. What if we get a 50 points runner? So look at this one, guys. I'm watching this level here. This level. This one. Exactly the place from where the red candle started, which is around 525. So I'm going to leave this open on 525. Yes. That's my strategy, buddy. You have to follow me daily to understand the way I work. Samuel, momentum trader. Price action technicals, riding the momentum. Good morning, Fred. Great to have you on board. Great to see you, everyone. Ha 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 ha. Just about a fireworks. Yes, join daily, and you guys will get the taste of it. I'm not getting out of the streets. Say whatever you want, I'm not getting out of the streets. You know where I get out? Exactly the spot I have encircled. 525, something around that level. 520s or 525. So I'm gonna stay 10 minis into this trade till we get to 520, 525. Where the stop loss break even. I think they're gonna bring the price back to the level that thing crashed. But obviously I'm risking of doing that, because I could already secure some nice profits here. I'm risking. I am risking. Have no choice. You don't risk, you don't drink champagne. We got both accounts in break even. Both. You see, I wouldn't do 220,000 here in the account if I wouldn't let winners run. With $3,000 and $2,000 days, you can't really do 200 grand. We've got here 70,000 bucks. You can't do that in profits if you don't leave winners run. We had in a single day 30,000 because we have let on a winners push. You go break even and then ride it. Yeah, one of the accounts hit the break even. Yeah. We touched the break even. Yeah, plus a lot of the volume even between the daily VWAP plus the daily opening. Daily VWAP 438, daily opening 420s, right? So between 438 and 420s, there's a lot of volume here. So New York might want to touch that. But I don't think New York is gonna get below 350s. 350s is down here. I wouldn't see touching that level be bearish. No. I would only see crushing through the level, retesting the level, and converting that as a bearish scenario, right? But other than that, 348 would not be categorized. You know, this is a pretty interesting level to long get around today's low. 320s, 350s. Pretty interesting level to long get. Good for a scalp. I would say 99.9%. Overall, well, overall, you don't have a target basically for the Lucid Flex accounts. You don't have a target. You only need minimum 5 days of $250 for the 150kx accounts, and a minimum $150 for 50k accounts. Lucid Flex on the funded state, right? The evaluation stage is at 6%, guys. That's simple. You can have unlimited evaluations and maximum 5 funded. But because you have no consistency, you can leave winners produce a lot. And that's going to save you when you have negative days. For example, the account you're watching here with 220,000. I'm going to test out a short here, guys, on this one, with a stop loss being right above, very, very tight. If it reverses here, it would be a short from the bottom, and that's bad. So I got to be tight here. Otherwise, we could gain momentum downside. That's why short. Pretty good, right? Stop loss and break even, and that's it. Let's make some money, guys. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're watching the wrong one. There you go. I'm out. $3,000 secured, guys. Easy. $3,000 secured. Right, so I was talking about printing money. Usually that's illegal. But looks like we have a different variation of that. 38,000 is only possible in Lucid Flex. That's why they cap the withdrawals, guys. That's why they cap the withdrawals. Otherwise, guess what? I would go for 50,000 here withdrawal, or 60 or whatever, 70. But they are capping withdrawals. Like, you can't really expect not to have the withdrawals capped. And that's not really a problem, right? It's not really a problem. I mean, when you're paying $200 or $180 for the account and you're getting paid $3,000, that's something great. And on top of that, you have for $200 a drawdown of 4,500, right? So 20 times the amount of money you're spending is there for you. The number one reason people do not reach to the targets needed is because they lack the discipline needed, right? They lack the discipline needed is the number one reason prop firms are making money off your activity. Look at this one, guys. Make sure to join our Discord community. You have to be part of the Discord community in order to participate in the giveaways. Right, so discipline is the only thing missing for the majority. And obviously good entries and all that stuff that comes next. Yeah, you gotta like the video. We're touching daily VWAP here. And I think that's an interesting level. Will it give us something? Hard to say. But there is space for that. There is space for that. Even the 1 minute is not looking that bad if the bouncing comes here is justified. Look at that. If the bouncing comes here, it is justified. And obviously we got in our longs Lucid Flexes. On this one we're sitting about 200 grand. We're cooking something. We're definitely cooking something, especially when you're sitting about 200 grand. Stop loss break even here, guys. Oh my gosh, what a silly rejection. Look at that. What a silly rejection. That should have been much better. Nah. I'm gonna get out of that trade too. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Because we might go a little bit lower. And I'm concerned on that. I am concerned that we might go. We did have some bull stepping in here. Next 5 minute candle would be lovely to be green. The next 5 minute. If this closes above the daily VWAP around this levels, we could do something with the next 5 minute, guys, and have it green. 10 minutes. Yeah. The only problem for the wick is that we're having it below the daily VWAP. And the algos might get to pressure the buying side here. We just got to long it on my trade of 8, guys. Tap on Futures Elite Daily Funded account. Calm and aggressive new prop on Discord. Where is it? The new prop firm by Scrembo? Look at that. Ha ha ha. 25k profit target, 15 grand max drawdown. It's gonna be hard to be spelled. We gotta make a prop firm called Green Tea. Rejection is here, guys. I'm out of this trade. I don't like it. I'm out of this trade of a trade accepted. $63 loss. I'll take that loss if needed. You see, this is my stop loss, my risk management. I told you, I am dynamic. I'm trading an idea. If that idea is getting denied, I'm exiting. I don't care about any fixed stop loss. That's not how I trade. I don't care about ticks, 30 ticks away, 2 to 1 take profit with a stop. I don't care about ratios at all. I'm trading an idea without any mathematical approach attached to it. No, zero. If that idea is not behaving, I'm out. Green tea funding prop. Yeah, look at that. We're going for the wick, Badger. Daily opening right there, 420s. Right at the end of the wick. Good day, good morning everyone. 136 likes. We've been sitting around 200 people watching and they're not liking this video. Must be the prop firms watching us, guys. Obviously they don't like it. Like rips. Not really familiar. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Look at that, Badger. You see why we got out of the trade here, guys? On trade of 8 earlier, I told you. That rejection is not what I wanted to see. I don't need that, I'm out. Because that rejection signals a possible continuation against my trade. And you should not stand that. And that's the time when the hopium starts kicking in. So I don't trade on hopium. You don't give me what I want, I'm out. That's the way I'm trading, guys. So I have a specific idea of what I need to see within the next seconds of opening the trade. If I don't see that, I just can't really hope and believe at some point it's gonna come, because it's not coming. Not seeing what I want to see is a signal of opposition towards my prediction. When I get a signal of opposition towards my prediction, what do you expect me to do? Like, literally, I'm being told it's not what you expected. Get out or just die hoping. Badger is printing. Badger is printing. Is ready. Is ready. Matryoshka. Ha 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 ha. Cheers, everyone. That was a lovely open right there. Look at that wick. We're still above the VWAP, Badger. We're still above the VWAP. Look at that. We were just surfing below and taking out the weekends. Now the market makers are going to watch you, Badger. So you have to watch your mouth. You have to watch your fingers because market makers are watching you. Yes, I'm sure it's making people nervous, and they are entitled to be nervous. Because this is absolutely not normal and unacceptable. Every other day, I'm reaching out and telling them they have to solve the problem. They're losing reputation. It's not working to pay people out in batches. It's not working to pay people out this way. You have to do something with your system before it's going to be too late. I told them, I tell people to be cautious about you because that's how you control your business, that's how you behave, that's what you're delivering. You can't expect people not to be cautious when you're paying every 3-4 weeks. Right? So I told them the reality, these words, and I'll tell you these words as well. You have to be very cautious. They have to solve this thing. You know, they want to come up with a dashboard update in the middle of the payout slow situation. That's not going to work. I told them you're not going to bring enthusiasm to anyone with your dashboard updates when you're taking 3 weeks to pay people. No one is going to care about your dashboard. People will care about the money. So fix that automated system that was back in the day and they were paying in 24 hours. It's not really a death spiral for them because this company, YRM, is part of another like 5 to 6 companies. They also have a brokerage company. You know, it's a group of investors. They got resources. You know, their decisions have been pretty inefficient and costing them financially. Those guys that are behind, they're financing the whole process, and they have this group of executive. They have nothing about the prop firms. They don't know about a prop firm. So the tick throw it to the floor. I gave it to you. I send it to you. The tick. 2 minutes to go. I'll send it to you with a tick up. Two minutes and the market opens. You have to ask them. Yes, it's always wrestling. Haha. TTT, very likely, very likely. Is it possible for them to recover? Yes. Is it likely? No. Oh, I've been reading the rules around Apex, and I wanted to do a video, guys, with comparing Lucid and Apex, and I'm going to do a video comparing Lucid and Apex, and you guys will run away from Apex like never seen before. When you will read those things and see those things I'm about to present you on the video. So... oh my gosh. You guys will run away so hard when you will see those things with the Apex. Less than 1 minute to go, and we are ringing the bell. You got to be part of our Discord. You have to like the video, be subscribed, and pretty much complete a formula. Here's the link. Here's the link for the giveaway. Here's the link. We have some fanboys here with Apex. Yes, you can do Lucid. Yes, Ninja. Yes, 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 yes. 2 seconds, 1 second. We are live. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho. I would say, and I was about to say, what a nasty candle. What a nasty candle. Do we get a runner? All the way back to today's high, 540s here. Bouncing from the daily opening. Watch that, guys. Let's see if we get something interesting. You know, I'm testing out along here. Let's see if we get something. I'd like to see something, something powerful. No idea if we get it, but I'm risking a little. Let's go. I'm also long. Ha ha ha. Come on. We got to break above that 485. We got to break above that 485. Yeah. Let's not be... Yep. This is a cat fight at the opening. It's a cat fight. This is a lovely cat fight at the opening. Good job, guys. Look at that. I think we got a runner here. We have also long the accounts on this side. I'm a stop loss break even. Ha 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 ha. Ah, come on, guys. Time to rip. Time to rip it. No. Time to rip it. I'm a momentum trader, a huge momentum trader. This 5 minute is still looking decent. Obviously, tail it no longer. Yeah. We got stopped out there. It's a pretty heavy one. Do we have to touch the daily opening? 420s? Yeah. It's not about the fees. It's not about the price. the entire ecosystem, the entire environment is a tremendous problem. I'll make a video comparing Lucid with Apex very, very soon. Look at that. Re-entering. This is not looking bad. This is not looking bad, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, we got a runner here. Trust me, it's not even the past. It's still the same. It's not even the past. It wouldn't be bad if it would be only the past. It wouldn't be that bad if it would be only the past, but it's not only the past. 5 minute looks decent here, guys. If we get momentum here, this is going to rush. I'm gonna target 520s on all these accounts. Right, so we need momentum here. This is a supply. We could strongly get rejected, unfortunately, as you see it. This is a supply here. 480s. We got to cross that, baby. Oh, that looks lovely. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. 230. Do we go for 250? Chat, say 250. 250, chat. Say 250. Do we go for 250 today? Come on. Say 250. $250. Oh. Ha 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 ha. Let's go, guys. Come on. I'm gonna sell this boy right here. I'm gonna leave the other two active. I'm selling this boy. And I got this one active. Sitting on 212. Boom. Ha ha ha. No cap on withdrawals. They would not exist with that rule. It's simple. They would not exist. It's still gonna run. It's still gonna run 12 AC. Don't close. It's still running. Ha 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 ha. I'm selling 5 here. I'm gonna sell 5 there. Yeah, we sold 5 contracts there. $16,000. So I'll still have this one open. I don't think it doesn't have cap. Yeah, but you have a daily loss limit, which is not going to allow you to do this money. With a daily loss limit, you cannot do this money, guys. There is many other ways to control those profits by the firms. So I'm wondering, how can I blow up this account? I'm wondering, how can I blow up this account? Right, so we got 10,000 secured here, but the other one made today $17,000. Right, it's this one, where we have closed our trade, completely closed it at a top. It's 18 grand today. It has 232. And these are the numbers. $38,000 for the highest day. Let's see if I can beat that. 38 grand. We have 2 accounts ready for the payout. There's 2 accounts that we're trading in. They're having big sizing. They're ready for the payout every day. We have 5 days of minimum, as you can see. But I want to have 5. I want to have 5 accounts at a time I'm cashing out. So in the meantime, I'm still trying to make money here. And this one's, even if I have losses of 5,000 or 10,000, it doesn't matter. We still have 5 days of profit. It doesn't matter, right? And we have resources enough to cover. Getting back in along here with 10 minis. And I'm going to DC here 10 minis as well. Let's see what we get, guys. Look at that. 5 minute is not looking bad, guys, at all. The fact that we have re-pushed back into the candles that we made earlier on the previous 5 minute. Watch my chart. Earlier on the previous 5 minute, we made a long candle. And then it dropped. So we ended up with a wick, right? The fact that we pushed back in the wick, if we do not reject again and we have a double wick rejection, which is a very bad signal. Depends how this 5 minute candlestick closes. Yes. Zinner. Depends how this candlestick closes. Look at that. That's a big sell-off. Not as big, no. Not that big. But a double top there would not be convenient, right? Would certainly not be convenient. We got break even for that account. That got me stopped down. Yeah. Probably I'm going to accept half of it here. I accepted half of the loss here, sold 5 contracts, and I'm rebuying cheaper. Massive double rejection, look at that one, guys. Algo is there, the green line, the Algo. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Come on, let's collect. You see that daily opening and slightly below. No idea how well we can bounce from here. It's daily VWAP, but this is not easy. Yeah. I'm just still watching. Look at that. Look at that. Are they going to save it here? I like to DCA somewhere, bounce a little bit, and then take a loss, take a lower loss. Let's see. Kind of waiting for the moment to DCA. We have these levels here that will be interesting. And even the current level. Right, so if this level holds here with a VWAP, it's not that bad. We have DC8. We're back in 10 minis. No. I sold half of it again. So how do you join the giveaway? You complete the formula link I just pasted right there in the chat. You like the video, you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell once you subscribe, and you have to join our Discord. Then once I finish trading today on the live stream, we're gonna hold a giveaway. All that rejections, guys, all that rejections is not that good. You'll have to guess the number for which you have to be here. Watching those levels carefully. I don't know if we get those entries and those prices. 420s, 415. Those could actually be interesting. No idea if we get those. No idea. We'll still battling around this level, but we're gonna get some 2030 candlesticks soon, 2030 wicks and ticks. 171 likes, come on guys, just raise the bar. Yeah. That's an interesting one we made. And now I'm testing basically the DCA here. Now I'm testing the DCA here. We're actually trading at this level. So we'll see if we get any reaction or not. Oh. I'm going to put a stop loss here. This is probably going to cost me. Yes, it did cost me. We're all the way back to minus 190 bucks. At least let's do that 250 bucks that's needed for the day to be counted. That was a heavy drop, guys. No reactions. Look at that. 0 reactions all the way down. We got a heavy bump there. No reactions. And we might get something at this level right now as we speak. It's going to remain interesting. $265 made some money there. I can make that day count. 265 made some money on that one. I can make this day count. We still have 215,000 bucks in the account. This is a pretty aggressive dump. Pretty aggressive, guys. Watch out for this whole picture. Look at that. Look at that. You have a flat top and then a lower high with double rejection. This is quite bearish, right? Quite bearish. Today's low, 320s. Last month's low, 239. None of that is off the table. None of that. It's hard to trade this. It's hard to trade this. No. It's too early, yes, for long. It's too early. We have missed some other important levels higher where I would needed a reaction for this whole level to be meaningful. But you see, the bulls could actually step in at any point and do something just like it happens right now. We got this account sitting on 180 with 5,800 today. This is a Lucid Pro account that's funded, folks. This is a Lucid Pro. It's not a Flex, it's a Pro, and it's funded. Look at that one. 5,870 today. This is a Lucid Pro, and it's funded. Right, so Lucid Pro are different than Lucid Flex. They have a consistency on the funded stage. Our highest day here is $18,000 on the 23rd, $6,000 yesterday, and $5,800 today. Lucid Pro. Look at that one, guys. This is not really attractive for the moment for the bulls. Depends a lot on the next candle. But it certainly looks like it wants to attack much lower levels, right? Sliding. Really nasty. Oh. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, they all want lower. Supply on 500s, 520s, 530s. Nicely confirming. 15-minute too, it wants lower. We'll have to see. But for the moment, that's what we see right now. Right, so we gotta collect the likes. Come on, guys. And we're gonna start the giveaways. There's not much we will have to trade from here. This is actually seeking for lower levels. Yeah. This is actually seeking for lower levels. I have a very simple setup. Just a normal desk basically and a single monitor. I use a single monitor, guys. I don't like multiple monitors. I've tested and it's not my taste. I've not been paying too much attention on that setup side of the business. Been paying more attention on what can I do from the trading standpoint. This is looking interesting, guys, obviously for the next 15 minutes. If we are going to see the price action reshorted, that's going to remain a question mark there. Yeah, we got the necessarily needed likes. Thank you so much, guys. We got the necessarily needed likes. Oh, that's a big one. 55-inch. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. That's a big one. I think that feels great. Especially you see that 220 grand, 200 grand accounts on such a scale. Is convenient. Are we gonna slide here? What do you guys think about? If we're sliding, I'm ready. If we're sliding, I'm ready. Let's see. Ha ha ha. If we are sliding, I'm ready. Just press the button like 20 seconds ago. I reshorted like 20 seconds ago. Let's see if this 15-minute candle gives us something. We just opened right now, 15-minute candle. And a 30-minute too, and an hourly too. Dump it. I'm out of everything. Enough is enough, guys. 9K here. Enough is enough. This is the Lucid Pro. This is the Lucid Pro. Enough is enough, you know. No, I think it is enough is enough. They are dropping it. I got a little bit scared, guys. But enough is enough. I got a little bit scared there. About to touch today's low, sitting on 320s. Is there anyone longing before touching today's low? I don't think so. We have the weekly VWAP here. Look at that. We haven't touched today's low. We haven't touched it. We have not touched today's low. How we responded. How we responded so close to that. Yes. S&P touched. Yes. Yes. I get a pretty strong push here all the way into daily opening. It's a pretty clear entry here. Good stuff, guys. Time for us to run the show with the giveaways. So we need the duck race, we need the wheel, and we need formula. We are getting ready, guys, for the duck race. Yep. Look at that. Spiking big time aggressively. What do we get right now, guys? What do we get right now? We got above the daily opening. What do you guys think about? All the way back to 480, 500. Wouldn't be bad, right? For sure. So it's time for the giveaway. How do you participate should be your question. Should be your question, guys. How do you participate? Well, first things first, you have to complete a form. You have to complete the form. First things first. Then you gotta like the video. That's how you participate by doing these things. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 AM EST time. Daily giveaways. I'll give you 10 seconds to do it. Thank you so much, guys. And the first giveaway will be Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily 25,000. Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily 25,000. You will have to guess the number. The game is going to be pretty simple. You'll have to guess the number. You'll see the numbers on the wheel and you will have to guess them. So watch out for the ratios. We're going to have the following numbers from 0 to 5. Guess the number, guys. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. You can start right now. Guess the number, guys, from 0 to 5. Guess the number. Best of luck, everyone. From 0 to 5, each number has an entry. $25,000. Tap 1 Futures. Elite Daily. An account with daily payouts from Tap 1 Futures prop firm. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle this and give it a go. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 2 more. Probably that's going to be pretty close to 0 between 4. But I think we're going to sit on 0. Congratulations for the winners. There you go. Congratulations. Time for the duck race. Time for the duck race. Little rejection from daily opening, but I still think we got fuel for the upside. Obviously, we'll see. Yeah. We're waiting from Badger with a list of winners. Here we go. 20 winners. There you go. 21 with Badger, competing for 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. The winner is having a $25,000 Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily account. Ha ha ha. Yeah, it's the Viking. And the strawberry speeds up. Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa. Pretty unexpected, Oompa Loompa. Ha ha ha. Oompa Loompa. You filled up the form, buddy. Did you? We're gonna find it out. We're gonna find it out. Do not worry. Do not worry. We're here. Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa is here. Perfectly filling up the form. Congratulations, Oompa Loompa. Ha 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 ha. You are the winner. $25,000 Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily payouts. Congratulations. Good job. Continuing with a second giveaway, guys. Continuing with a second giveaway. Second giveaway is going to be something juicy. 50,000 Lucid Pro for the second giveaway. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Watch out for the numbers. We're going to have a surprise here. So there's going to be from 0 to 7. Guess the number, guys. Guess the number from 0 to 7. Best of luck, everyone. One entry. Do not guess multiple times. A single guess per person. We have a Lucid Pro, $50,000. There's no more green tea here. So we lack sufficient green tea. We had close to 2 liters today. I'm up since 5 a.m., guys. And I'm not feeling anything. Up since... I usually sleep at 10 p.m. And even earlier than that. So my schedule is from 10 to 5. That's 7 hours, right? Is that enough? Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. It's over. Shuffle. And we're live. Good job, guys. Keep it running. Keep it running. Keep it flat. Nasdaq breaking 430s. There's not going to be number 2473. Will not be number 0. No. I think it's going to be number 6, guys. I think. Let's see if the pedal that I have below the desk is functioning. Because I control the wheel from there. And just a little more. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you. Number 6 for the winners. Good job. Good job. Oh, we were so close for 00. We were so close for 00. Congratulations for the winners. All right, that guy is going to have a little timeout. $22 winners at this time competing for 30 seconds. Start right there. No more words. So who's going to speed up, guys? 6 seconds right now. Do or die. Oh, look at it, Fred. Fred on purple is taking the number 50. There you go, Fred. Congratulations. Look at that one, Fred. You got this $50,000 Lucid Pro account. Oh my gosh. Are you here, Fred? Yes, Fred did fill up the form. That's a good one. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job. He is celebrating right now, jumping away from the keyboard. We believe you. So watch out right now. We're doing a massive giveaway. Watch out right now. Listen up, guys. Listen up, guys. Heart attack. So listen up, guys. We're going to do like this. 50k YRM. 50k. 50k YRM. 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Time for Jake to decide on something else. We're giving him a chance to win this way. 0 and 1. Guess the number. Start right now. You can start right now. Between 0 and 1. Nasdaq on 450 is interesting, guys. Interesting how we get a runner from there. Zero and one, pretty simple. Pretty simple, guys. Only one number. SMT trading. We went with this both. You went for both. SMT trading. You want to slow down. You went for both. Only a single guess per person. Whatever you guess after your first text from my starting command is not going to be counted. Whatever, guys. Only the number once. Otherwise, it will not be counted. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. So listen up, guys. You have to complete the formula form, which is at the top of the chat. It's pinned. Or join our Discord to have the link. We're doing plus one more 50k YRM. We're going to have that on the wheel too, guys. Plus one more 50k YRM. Let's see. Let's see if you guys will receive 2 accounts today. Let's see that, guys. If we hit plus one more, then we're going to do 2 accounts of YRM. Oh, I don't think we hit the one more. I don't think we hit the one more, but we're going to hit the number one. We're going to hit the number one, guys. Congratulations for that. I can tell you, that's going to be the number one. We are going to have you with number one. If there is more than 100 winners, I'll take you to 2 rounds of races. 2 rounds of duck races if there's more than 100 winners, right? We'll see. We'll see. I think a lot of the people win with that number. And I'll have you a different race right now. I'll have you a different. You guys have never seen this before. Let's see. How many? It's 114. It's 114. 115 with Badger, which means you guys will compete. How do I bring the volume? I'm going to turn up the volume. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Top three will qualify for the second round. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. No, the balloons. Space Hopper. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. There's more than 100 winners here. The majority of you cannot see your names. Zill is at the top, look at that, leading. So the majority cannot see your names. Imagine the way this is going to speed at the end. Yeah. I think a lot of balloons have exploded already. Making them come back. Top three is gonna win. It's gonna go second round. So you gotta hope somebody's gonna come on the 4th. Who's gonna come on the 4th? You are on the race if you pick number 1. Your name is there. You have to be top 3. So you have to jump in your room and your camera. Oh, look at that. Who's gonna win, guys? What's happening here? Who is the second and third? Here we are. Ivan. Ivan. Here we have the top 3 guys. Ivan, Maritimes, and William. Ivan. Yes, he did fill up the form. Congratulations, Ivan. Then we have Maritimes Trader. Did you fill up the form? Yes, Maritime Trader. And then the third guide, William. Did you filled up the form? Yes, and Dolo William. So we got all the three filling up the form. Rank number 1 is going to win. Right, rank number 1 is going to win. You guys will compete for 30 frickin' seconds. Start right there. Haha. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Maritime Trader. Oh, look at that. And Maritimes is the winner. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. You're taking the lead here and winning a $50,000 YRM account goes out to you. Winner. Yeah, winners, direct message me on Discord. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Look at the Nasdaq. Oh. Look at the Nasdaq. We talked about it has fuel. We talked about Nasdaq, that it has fuel. And there you go. You have it. We talked about it. It has fuel. And there you go. You have it. Oh my gosh, what's happening here, guys? You have to save me. I think I forgot about my longs. I think I forgot about my longs. You have to save me, guys. I think I forgot about my longs. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I think I forgot about my longs. Let me get out ahead this whole thing. There you go. They were running in the background. Oh, 26,000 bucks there. Oh my gosh. Absolutely insane. 22. Absolutely insane. Looking forward to it tomorrow, guys. I'll keep you updated with all these things. I think I forgot about my lungs. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again. We're going to do tomorrow. I'll do tomorrow a big giveaway for this, guys. For this, what happened right now, we're going to do tomorrow a big giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Looking forward to it tomorrow.